Okay, hi everybody. So in this video here, we're going to take a look at this little equation here, this absolute value inequality, I should say. We're looking for where the absolute value of x is less than 7. Now, I know that for a lot of people, when we talk about the absolute value, we're simply saying, it makes something positive. And that does kind of get a bit of the gist of it, but there's a little bit more to it than that. When we talk about the absolute value of a number, we're talking about the distance that it is away from the origin. So what we're asking here when we ask it like this is we're asking for what numbers x is the distance away from the origin less than 7. So it sort of helps to visualize what's going on here. So here's our number line, here's our 0. What we're saying here is what numbers are closer to the origin than 7. So out here at the max, you've got positive 7, but that also works over here. The distance that negative 7 is away from the origin is also 7. And so we're asking for the numbers that are closer. And that is going to extend in both directions here. And what we get here ultimately is that we're looking for numbers that are going to be between negative 7 and 7, not including 7. Because that I would include 7 if up here in the original question it had said less than or equal to, but it doesn't. So we're not including whoops, now it doesn't want to come through. Anyway, we're not including that. All we're doing is going between negative 7 and 7. So another way that you might want to write that is you might write that as, oh, there we go. Now it comes back in interval form here, negative 7 to 7 with soft brackets on both ends.